Okay, so we're going to begin by making our program that's going to draw a single pixel onto the screen. So, as any other program, we're going to need some includes. So in this program, we're going to include STL2. STL2 is a library for C++ and C. What it does is it makes the process of drawing graphics to the screen fairly easy. So let's begin. To draw something to the screen, we are going to need two structures. We are going to need STL window and STL render. Now we are going to declare them here, but we're not going to initialize them yet. Now we are going to initialize STL, and we are going to initialize STL because that's just simply how STL works. You need to initialize it before you can use the drawing functions. Now we are going to initialize our window and render, and we do that using the STL create window and render function. Now the two arguments I'm going to pass in are going to be the width and the height of the window. So my width is going to be 640 times 4, and the height is going to be 480 times 4. Pass a 0 as this argument, and then we are going to pass the reference to window and render. You don't really need to think about this too much. It's not going to interfere with the rest of the program, so write this out and you should be fine. Oh, and I just forgot to mention, if you have a high DPI screen, the reason I multiply by 4 the width and the height of the window is because I have a high DPI screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the scale to be 4 times, because otherwise you wouldn't even be able to see the pixel. It would just not appear on YouTube. Okay, so let's set my render scale to be 4 times bigger. If you have a 1080p display, I recommend just removing the multiplication by 4 here and not running this function here, because otherwise it'll be too big for you to see. Anyways, so what we're going to do now is we are going to set the draw color for the render. And what this is going to do is it's going to tell STL what color we want to use to draw to the renderer. So we are going to set the color to black because we want to clear the renderer to black before we do any drawing. If you're familiar with color formats, this is just the RGBA. This is the alpha. It's 255 because we want this to be visible. Okay, so now we're going to clear this render. So we're going to do STL. We're going to clear it. And next, we are going to set the draw color to be white. Same deal. This is just the RGBA, and now we're just setting everything to white. And now we're going to actually draw the point onto the screen. So to draw a point using STL, we are going to do STL render. And I'm going to draw this to the center of the screen, and the center of the screen, even though this is 640 times 4, since I scaled the render by 4, it just removes the times 4. So the center of the screen here is going to be 640 divided by 2 and 480 divided by 2. Okay. Next, we are going to present the renderer, and when we present the renderer, essentially what we're doing is we're showing it to the window so that the user can look at it. And to make sure that the program doesn't close before we actually see what we want to see, we are going to delay this by 10,000 milliseconds. Right, quit. Now we have to compile this. Use whatever you have to compile it. So I'm on Linux, so I'm going to use GCC to compile it. And link it STL2. Set the output. The output name is going to be pixel. Okay, that's good. No errors. Let's run this. Okay, and as you can see, we have this pixel here. Okay, this is good. So in the next section, I'm going to show you how to draw a line. So we're going to transition from just drawing a pixel to drawing a line.